Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Christian Ekpo. So in this video I'm going to show you some simplification tricks. So let's start with example 1. We have 2 plus 3 divided by 5. So if we want to do this, you take this 2 and attach to 3 over 5. So your answer is 2 3 over 5. Okay, as simple as that. If you want to change it to improper fractions, so you can easily change this to improper fractions by multiplying 5 times 2, that is 10. 10 plus 3, that is 13. So you have 13 divided by 5. Okay, so that is it. Now let's check if we are correct. Check. Now you have 2 plus 3 over 5. Okay, you have this 2 over 1 and the LCM is 5. Okay, so you have 5 divided by 1, that is 5. 5 times 2, you have 10, plus 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 1 times 3, you have 3. So you have 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. Okay, this and this, so they are the same. So let's take example 2. We have 5 plus 7 divided by 3. So we are going to take this 5 and attach to 7 over 3. So the answer is 5 7 divided by 3. Okay, or if you want to change it to improper fractions, we have 3 times 5, that is 15. 15 plus 7, and we have 22 divided by 3. Okay, so let's check. We have check. So we have 5 over 1 plus 7 over 3, and the LCM here is 3. 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 times 5, 15, plus 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 7, 7. So you have 15 plus 7, 22 over 3. Okay, so this is correct and this is also correct. Okay, let's take example 3. So you have example 3. Here we have 7 minus 5 divided by 8. Okay, so here the sign here is a negative sign. Okay, so what we have to do is you will subtract 1 from 7. So you have 7 minus 1, that is equals to 6. So you have 6, and you will also subtract 5 from 8. So you have 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3. So you're going to have 6, and you take this 3 divided by 8, and that is the answer. Okay, if you want to check, let's check. We have 7 over 1 minus 5 over 8. Okay, and the LCM is 8. So we have 8 divided by 1, and we have 8, and we have 8 times 7, and we have 56. So we have 8 divided by 8, and we have 1. 1 times 5, so we have 5. So we have 56 minus 5, which is equals to 51 over 8. Okay, now let's convert this to improper fractions. So we have 8 times 6, we have 48. 48 plus 3, so you have 51 all over 8, which is correct, and this is also correct. Okay, now let's take this other example. We have 3 minus 4 over 7. Okay, so we are going to subtract 1 from 3, so we have 2. We subtract 4 from 7, we have 3 over 7. Okay, which is equals to 7 times 2, that is 14. 14 plus 3, that is 17 over 7. Okay, now let's check. Okay, so you have 3 over 1 minus 4 over 7. Okay, we have 7 as the LCM, So 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 times 3, 21 minus 7. 7 divided by 7, that is 1. 1 times 4, you have 4. So you have 21 minus 4, and you have 17 over 7. Okay, so this is correct, and this was also correct. Okay, so let's take example 5. Here we have 3.5 plus 5, 1 over 6. Okay, so in order for us to do this, we will take 3, this, and this. Okay, so 3 plus 5, then plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. Okay, so we take this and this, 3 plus 5 plus half plus 1 over 6. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is 8 plus, now here you have 1 over 2. Then I want this and this to be equal. Okay, so if I multiply this by 3, I will have 1 over 6, and multiply the numerator by 3 again, I will have 3 over 6, so that the denominator and this denominator will be the same. Okay, so you're gonna have something like this: 1 over 2 times 3 times 3 plus 1 over 6. Okay, so you have 8 plus 1 times 3, 3 divided by 6 plus 1 over 6. Okay, this and this are now the same. Okay, so you have 8 plus, since they are the same, you take one of it, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so you now have 8 plus 4 over 6, which is equals to 8, 4 over 6. Okay, which is the correct answer. So let's take example 6. Here we have 17 minus 5, 2 over 9. Okay, so in order for us to solve this, let's rewrite this. Okay, this can be written as 5 plus 2 over 9. Okay, this can be written this way, right? And we have a negative sign here. Okay, so you have the 17. Now if you use this negative sign to distribute, so you're gonna have 17 minus 5 minus 2 over 9. Okay, so 17 minus 5 is 12. So you have 12 minus 2 over 9. Okay, and you now use that method that I shared with you before. So you have 12 minus 1, you have 11. Then 9 minus 2, you have 7 over 9. Okay, and that is the correct answer. So let's take this final one, number 7. So we have 1 minus 3 over 4. Okay, so here you're gonna subtract 1 from 1, so you have 0. Then 4 minus 3, we have 1 over 4. Okay, whenever you have something like this, neglect the 0. Okay, so your answer equals to 1 over 4. Okay, so if you want to check, we have 1 over 1 minus 3 over 4, and the LCM is 4. 4 divided by 1, 4 times 1, we have 4, minus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 3, we have 3. So we have 4 minus 3, that is 1 over 4. Okay, so this is correct, this is correct. Okay, so that is it for the class. In our next class, we will continue from here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification icon for updates on my videos. Okay, please don't forget to like my videos also. Thank you.